Please hold the matter.
Your Lordship,
Yes,
Your Lordship, I beg to mention the item number 12.
item number 12.
On
You
behalf,
wait, we'll see. What is the matter of?
Your Lordship, I'm not aware of the fact, just connecting counsel is instruct me to take.
Okay, let us look at the record and find out what is the matter about. All right. Okay, you wait for some time. Yes, hold on.
Item number 18.
May I beg your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I filed this present writ petition, your lordship, praying for revocation of an LPC, impugned LPC, dated 28/9/2021. Hearing number PC LSD LN LPC 455/2021, which was issued in favor of private respondent number 4 in this case.
Yes.
Actually, what has happened in this case, your lordship, is that there were dual sets of plot of lands, your lordship, measuring about 5565 square feet and 4320 square feet, your lordship. And these two plots of land, your lordship, situated at Likhavali town, your lordship. The same were in dispute between three parties, your lordship. Petitioner being one party, and late Rayonjini as one, and private respondent number 5.
What is the LPC?
LPC, your lordship, is set page number 66, which I have obtained through RTI, your lordship. Page number 66. Your lordship, in the description of the land, your lordship, at serial number 4, boundaries bounded by north side link road, south plot of Shri Tumto Kamsi, east plot of Shri Tumto Kamsi, west main road. The description which has been mentioned here in your lordship is totally false, your lordship, because these two mentioned at B and C, your lordship, are actually the decreed suit lands in favor of the present petitioner in this case, your lordship.
This is whose LPC?
This is of private respondent number 4, your lordship.
Who is respondent number 5?
5 is her husband, your lordship. He was a party to a title suit between the parties before the Civil Judge Senior Division at Alo, your lordship.
And what is 6?
6 is the person, your lordship, who has given his NOC for the said LPC, your lordship. Your lordship may come to page number 63, your lordship. That is his NOC.
Where is the title suit?
Pardon, your lordship.
Where is the title suit?
Title suit, your lordship, the relevant page, your lordship, it's may come to page number 40, your lordship. This is the
What?
degree.
1440.
40, your lordship. This is a degree in title suit number 3 of 2016. 40. May I read, your lordship?
What happened to title suit?
Title suit, what has happened is that, your lordship, the two plots of land, your lordship, measuring 5565 square feet and 4320 square feet, your lordship. There were two plots of land, out of which the learned trial court has granted a degree in my favor for 4320 square feet, your lordship. And 5565 square feet was declared as a village link road. Subsequently, your lordship, I have approached before this honorable court, your lordship, by virtue of filing an RFA bearing 6 of 2019. Therein also, your lordship, this honorable court has decreed by this honorable court judgment dated 29/7/2022 the another plot of land 5565 was also given in my favor.
Hmm.
Now, what has happened is that, Your Lordship, after obtaining this, the order of this Honorable High Court, we have approached for execution of a decree also. And Your Lordship may come to page number 57. This is the page number 57, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
This is the relevant part of the decree of the another suit land suit, Your Lordship. 5565.
57.
57. This is a decree by this Honorable High Court only, our High Court. Herein also, Your Lordship, the court was of the opinion that the defendants and their representatives, Your Lordship, right, title, interest, everything was given in my favor. The defendants, Your Lordship, the private respondent number 5 herein, they and one Srimati Pagbi Riba, they were restrained from entering or disturbing my position, Your Lordship. Interestingly, Your Lordship, what has happened in this case? After this, Your Lordship, we had approached before Civil Judge Senior Division at Pasighat for execution of the decrees. In the meantime, we came to know that they have applied for LPC, wherein, Your Lordship, this particular piece of land, this impugned LPC, Your Lordship, it has exceeded and it has entered into my decreed lands, Your Lordship.
Then where is the difficulty in execution of a decree?
That is why, Your Lordship, now the execution proceeding, Your Lordship, it is difficult since because it will be difficult for the court to determine whether that the impugned LPC, Your Lordship.
Court has said so.
Pardon, Your Lordship.
Executing court has said so.
Not yet, Your Lordship. It is
Then-
pending, Your Lordship. My contention, Your Lordship, is that they have obtained this LPC, Your Lordship, by suppressing the material facts during the pendency of the.
How will the LPC come in the way of execution of a decree?
Because, Your Lordship, now they have approached before executing court that we have to file for recovery of the position of the suit land now, Your Lordship. Now, already since our High Court, Honorable High Court, as well as the trial court, has granted me the 2 sets of plot of lands, Your Lordship. Now the possession part is, Your Lordship, in dispute. My humble prayer as of today, Your Lordship, is to issue notice only, Your Lordship. Because this respondent number 6, Your Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, his reply is, Your Lordship, is vital to determine. His reply is very important, Your Lordship.
How will the LPC come in the way of execution of a decree?
Because, Your Lordship, as of now, Your Lordship, the learned trial court, Your Lordship, they have raised an objection, Your Lordship, this private respondent number 5. They have raised an objection that they are the owner of the land, Your Lordship. Whereas their LPC is, Your Lordship, illegal, Your
So
Lordship.
if they say they are the owner, so they become the owner.
That is why, Your Lordship, now execution part is also, Your Lordship, is pending and stayed, Your Lordship. My
Okay, if you want a notice, we
Yes,
will issue notice. This hearing for petitioner, here for
For 1 to 3.
R for 1, 2, 3, notice 6 weeks. Steps by both ways to R4 to 6. Within a week.
obliged, Your Lordship.
Number 1.
May I please, Lordship.
On last occasion, this court has granted 2 weeks time to all the private respondent to file their counter affidavit. But only private respondent number 6 has filed their affidavit.
Lordship, I'm representing a respondent number 3 to 12. Now we are filing the affidavit in opposition for respondent number 6, and I too have served the service copy to the petitioner, and the rest respondent will rely upon the respondent number affidavit filed by the 6. So may I read it after 2 week matter may be listed.
Okay.
After vacation, Lordship.
Government has filed affidavit.
Yes, sir.
When do you want the matter to be listed? What is the matter about?
Well, regarding promotion,
Okay.
And since they have filed their counter matter, we will start for final hearing
When? After?
after 2 weeks.
Mr. Omodi, learned counsel for the petitioners. Ms. G. Ete, learned additional senior government advocate representing respondents 1 and 2, who submitted a counter affidavit by the respondents 1 and 2 have been filed. Also heard also Mr. X. Gyati, learned counsel representing respondents 3 to 12, who submits that the counter affidavit by the respondent number 6
Yes,
is being filed today,
we are filing now. My associate is filing is going on.
is being filed today. And the respondents 3 to 5 as well as 7, as well as respondents 7 to 12 would not be filing a counter affidavit and would rely on the stand taken by the respondent number 6 in the counter affidavit file. Also, in view of the above, and is prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties listed after 3 weeks.
Yeah, all right.
My lordship, leading counsel Titi Tara is absent because of some personal.
You have put a petitioner.
No lordship. Respondent.
He's there
Lordship, I'm prayer for lordship 2 weeks time lordship.
on behalf of Titi Tara.
Lordship,
You are for the respondent.
lordship,
You are along with Titi Tara or opposite Titi Tara?
along with lordship, respondent number 4 lordship,
Okay, okay. Tara is for respondent.
lordship, respondent number 4 lordship.
Why? For filing of a counter affidavit.
No lordship, we will rely with the government affidavit lordship.
Oh, any objection
No.
on the prayer of
2 weeks.
Mr.
K. Lawrence lordship. on
K.
behalf of
Lodon,
Titi Tara.
counsel for which respondent?
Respondent number 4 lordship.
Respondent number 4. And not objected to by Mr. M. Tangal, under counsel for the petitioner listed after 4 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks lordship.
2 weeks, okay, 2 weeks.
Of license.
Yes,
Matter pertains to termination, but Mr. Tagum has informed me there is some difficulty today, he could not come.
what termination?
Termination.
From which post?
The assistant teacher,
Huh?
teacher,
Regular teacher,
no man, contract,
contract teacher.
yes.
Here. Who is appearing? Kato,
No man, the Jamo,
Jamo. Has the department file affidavit?
yes, they have.
What do they say in their affidavit?
The affidavit is neither here, neither there, they say if your notice is required, we will give, that is the standard.
You were appointed on contract basis for 1 year.
Yes. In fact, they were required to file an affidavit on that also, that was not. that had
It
not been done.
was, your services was not extended,
But continue now.
but continued. On what basis?
That is something one of the, they will have to answer. In fact, they were supposed to file affidavit in that respect.
So your services ended
No, my lord, I was
if
functioning,
there is no extension.
but the fact remains I was functioning, my lord.
Hmm?
I was functioning,
Without authority.
not without authority, I was being paid, my lord. There were, otherwise, what would have been the necessity of terminating me, my lord, if I was not in service?
Heard Mr. Deep Angular counsel for the petitioner. None appears for the respondent. And the learned counsel for the respondent is not present today, listed after 3 weeks.
Problem.
Number 4.
None appears after 4 weeks.
Number 5. Your lordship, pleadings are completed in item number 5, so this may be post for hearing, your lordship.
What is the matter, Ava?
Pertains to your lordship eviction. Eviction at Oyan village, in East Siam district, your lordship. And the lane is belongs to private lane, this is the private lane, belongs to the petitioner. And the authority concerned has also violated the,
When do you want the matter to be listed?
up to 2 weeks, your lordship.
Yes, Tapin? On the prayer learned counsel for the parties listed after 2 weeks.
Hi, your lordship.
Yes.
As teacher counsel is absent, the matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
Okay, on the prayer learned counsel for the petitioner listed after 3 weeks.
Mobilize.
Malad, here I'm for the 8 Malad, item 8.
Hmm.
7 is different Malad. And in 7 Malad, several times petitioners are not appearing and because it has been tagged with my case. Malad.
What is the matter about?
This is Malad, my case is the eviction Malad.
Eviction.
Yes.
And what is item number 7?
7 is bit different Malad. In their case Malad, I don't know they have allotment or not. In my case, I have proper allotment by the government.
Then what is to be done?
Malad, the matter may not be tagged, Malad. Because
who-
in that interim is also not there. In my case, interim is there.
I have no objection, lordship. They may be listed differently.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner. It will be in item number 7. Heard Miss G. Ete, learned additional senior government advocate for the state. You are there. Okay.
Land.
Right. Petitioners. No, land
Then this
department is not a party in
7.
In item 8,
item 7. Okay. G8, for the state. Referencing respondent 1 to 5. From the record, it appears that the learned counsel for the petitioner have not appeared on 14/6/2023 and 21/7/2023 when the matter was called up for consideration. From the record, it appears that on the previous two occasions, namely on 14/6/2023 and 21/7/2023, the learned counsel for the petitioners did not appear when the matter was called up for consideration. In view of the above, this petition is dismissed for default. Yes. What to do with your case?
Malad, in my case, affidavits have been exchanged, Malad.
Okay. Then,
Malad, it may be listed for hearing, Malad,
when?
after puja vacation, Malad.
Yes, sir.
Any objection? No objection. Mr. You have also filed affidavit. On the prayer of learned counsel for the parties listed after 4 weeks.
My interim order may be continued.
Okay. Had Mr. Then read, had Mr. P. Kapo, learned counsel for the petitioner, who pressed for an adjournment of this case by 4 weeks, with continuation of the interim order passed earlier.
Obligement.
Just a minute. With the continuation of the interim order passed earlier, to which prayer Ms. G. Ete, learned additional senior government advocate, representing respondents.
What's it actually? I am representing all here in this matter.
No, respondent 5 has been added, Malad.
Added
My
Okay,
brother,
you are for 1 to 4.
one
Then.
for us.
1 to 4. As well as Mr. L. Tadam, learned counsel on behalf of Mr. D. Kamruk, learned standing counsel for the land management department representing respondent number 5. I have no objection. In view of the above, listed after 4 weeks.
obligement.
First, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
What's it after 4 weeks for hearing was it?
Not hearing, it will be disposed of in admission.
Yes, sir. Lovely.
Lordship, we have been told they are preparing the affidavit, so we'll maybe give it some time.
How much time?
4 weeks. Lordship.
Mr. I. Ram, additional senior government advocate, representing the state press for and is granted for the 4 weeks time
My lord,
to file counter affidavit.
meanwhile, this interim may be continued.
Listed after 4 weeks. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much of it.
None appears for the petitioner. Had Mr. Yes, state has filed affidavit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, had Miss P. Sangita, learned government advocate, representing respondents 1, 2, and 3, who submits that a counter affidavit by the state have been filed. Also heard Mr. D. Pangal, counsel for the respondent number 4. We have also filed.
I pray for some time, 3 weeks.
Okay. Who
There
prays
have
for,
been amendments.
who prays for and is granted for the 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Listed after 3 weeks.
11 minor, there is no counter affidavit has been filed.
Yes. What is the matter about?
But we're challenging the external respondent authorities in initiating criminal proceedings in respect of the petitioner's functioning as a Gaon Bura.
Now, Mura. Yes,
Your lordship, 2 weeks time may be given for filing our counter affidavit.
2 weeks.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
We have received the paraphrase reply.
Miss Deepa accounts for the petitioner. Miss P. Pangul, on the government advocate, representing respondent 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 6, your lordship.
1, 2, and 6. Who submits that the counter, sorry. Who submits that paraphrase comments for filing of a counter affidavit have been received, for which she pressed for 2 weeks time. You will file affidavit.
Lordship, I have CD lordship with me. Yes, there is with me, lordship.
Okay, just.
I am
I've
for
been saying
3,
all along,
4, and 5.
CD has no
Also-
connection with the issue I have raised.
Also had Miss L. Hagel, Lalit, additional public prosecutor representing respondents 3, 4,
And 6.
5, 3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5.
Who is this 7?
Private respondent.
Notice, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry, Manatai.
Yes, it has been served. Okay. None appears for the respondent number 7, despite service of notice as indicated in the obvious notice 8/2/2022. In view of the above, and as grateful by Miss D. P. Pangul under government advocate listed after 3 weeks.
Right.
Okay.
Like,
Yes.
Lordship, we are supposed to file rejoinder. But
That is the matter about. What is the matter about?
basically, we are challenging, challenging the NIT for non-compliance of mandate of district-based entrepreneurs act.
Non-compliance of,
District-
non-compliance of
District-based entrepreneurs act.
District-Based Independence Act. Yes,
And Your Lordship, Your Lordship, the conducting council was supposed to appear today, Your Lordship, because of some person who he couldn't come, and the brief is with him only, Your Lordship.
the prayer of Miss T. Gatso,
Yes,
counsel for the petitioner. Huh?
yes, Lordship.
Listed after 4 weeks.
Deep, Your Lordship.
This case was taken last occasion. Lordship.
Mr. S. Tapin, London Senior Government Advocate for the petitioner. With service report of the sole respondent as indicated in the office note dated 6/9/2023. In view of the above, listed again after 3 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, 2 weeks. Yes, Paul?
Petitioner is absent and your lordship, we have not
Okay.
received any extra copy also.
Huh?
Today, we have not received extra copy also.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner. Third, Ms. P. Pango, learned government advocate, representing the state respondents. Says the learned counsel for the petitioner is not present today, list it again after 4 weeks.
May I, your lordship?
Hmm.
Your lordship, I'm counsel for the petitioner on behalf of Ms. J. Chonguchu. Your lordship, in this matter, we challenging the order copy, order dated by order passed by the Arunachal Pradesh Information Commissions.
Hmm.
Your lordship, we already issued the notice to the respondent. We are still waiting for ID card.
Okay.
Yes, your lordship.
My lord, I'm appearing probably, although I'm not yet to receive the copy, but somehow I came to know that from the department, commission. So I have been erased as the private respondent. I think 4 and 5. So, copy of the writ petition may be directed to furnish us.
Just a minute. You are appearing for whom?
The private respondent.
Ninia Angu,
No.
Tagri Taka.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, Tagri Taka. You are appearing for him only.
No, both the private respondent.
Ninia Angu also.
Yes.
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Okay. Have you filed Wakalat Nama?
Yes.
B. Kosik and Associates. Okay. Your name is reflected, I think. Yes.
Yes.
All right. You want to file affidavit?
Yes,
Counter
my lord.
affidavit.
Let the copy may be served so that I can go through.
See, your copy must have been received by these respondents.
No, not yet, my.
Then how did they come to know?
I came to know because from the commission, because since they have arrayed the commission in the as the respondent number 1, and from there I got the information that I have also been arrayed as a party.
All right. You furnish a copy to him?
Yes, your lordship, but we are still waiting for ID card, your lordship.
No. See, you are waiting for ID card of 2 and 3.
Yes, your lordship.
Since he has entered appearance, you need not wait for the ID card. So they will file counter affidavit. He just wants a copy of the writ petition.
Yes, your lordship. We'll start today, sir, your
Okay.
lordship. I have one copy, your lordship.
One extra copy you have?
Yes, your lordship. I have
Okay,
extra
that will suffice. You give, okay, all right. Hard Miss
Miss Adem Tayang, your lordship.
Adam
Tayang, your lordship.
Time.
Your lordship. My humble prayer is interim may we continue, your lordship.
Interim mother is there.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, all right, yes.
Highly appreciate.
Hard Miss Adam Time, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. T. Omo,
Yes.
learned counsel for the respondents number 2 and 3. How much time?
3 weeks.
Who pressed for and is granted 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. List it after 3 weeks as prayed for. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
Ma'am, my lord, in this matter, my lord, I'm on behalf of T. Gade, my lord. Petition on, so I'm playing,
What is the matter about?
it is regarding the appointment on for, in a compensation ground, my lord.
You are seeking appointment on compassionate ground.
Yes, my lord. Also, my lord, another prayer is, my lord, land may be acquired under right to fair compensation act, my lord.
Land?
Yes, my lord. Donated land, my lord.
Oh, this is a compensation,
Yes, my lord.
not a compassionate appointment. Okay, all right.
There are two prayer, my lord.
Two prayer.
Yes, ma'am. One prayer is to appoint appointment in compassionate ground, my lord.
Not appointing the petitioner at par with other landowners for construction. You are appearing on behalf of T. Gadi.
T. Gade, my lord.
You are not ready with the case.
This matter may be fixed on Tuesday, my lord. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. All right. Tuesday. On the prayer of Mr. T. Kamchi. On behalf of Mr. T. Gadi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Please sit on Tuesday, which date? Huh? 12.
12 September.
12 September.
Much obliged.
Lordship, regarding this, Lordship, I'm also not ready today.
None appears for the petitioner. Miss G. Ete, learned additional senior government advocate for the state. Will not say you are not ready.
Lordship,
So when will this, in view of the, since the learned counsel for the petitioner not present today,
Lordship,
please state again after 4 weeks. Okay.
Lordship. Oblige, my.